If you want to use Canva inside the Claude, then this is the video for you. So in this video, I will show you how you can create amazing design right inside the Claude without switching any tab in Canva. So let's get started. So as you can see here, we are on laptop screen. All you have to do is just open Claude in your laptop. Just click on this customize, and here you will see this connect your app. Click on it and you will see a list of amazing apps which you can connect with the Claude. But in this video, we are creating amazing design with the Canva. So we can just search Canva and click on this. As I have already connected with it, so it is showing me the disconnect button. But if you are doing this first time, it will show connect and just provide all the permission. It will smoothly connect with your Canva account. Once you complete with this step, now close this and click on this new chat. Now we will start creating design with the prompts. So I have a curated collection of the prompt which I am going to use in this video. So as you can see, first in this video, we are going to create an amazing Instagram post for a coffee shop. So I'm just copy this prompt and each of the prompt having a structure. So first we will describe the design type, brand mood and content, visual style and color, font and direction. So in this, based on this template, I have created this amazing prompt. So I'm just copy this prompt and paste it inside the Claude. But before pasting, you can just type @Canva. So it will understand we are calling our connector and it will show some of the list of the actions which you can perform by using this Canva connector. So now we can paste our first prompt, which is for create an Instagram post for a coffee shop brand called Note. So my prompt is crafted on the basis of the formula which you can see on the screen. So I'll just send it. So it will analyze and create amazing design inside the Canva which we can see directly in the Claude without switching any tab. So as you can see here, we have the 4 options. So I like all of the 4 options, which is looking pretty amazing, but I want to keep things minimal. So I'll go with the second design. Also, if you don't like, you can provide the creative direction like change the image to something coffee beans, and it will analyze your prompt again and create different 4 designs. So you can see, yes. So you can see here, it will generating our design, the second design with a different creative direction. I want it to generate something with the coffee beans images. So now it will analyze and create something amazing. So here you can see as I am expecting. So I like the design 4 because it is generated amazing for new different option with the coffee bean. Also the third one is also looking premium, but I like the 4th. So I will just click on 4 and it will save this design into my Canva account. So you can see now. Okay, so it is also providing me the link. So once I click on this link, it will open this design inside my Canva account. So now if I want to make any further changes, like if I want to change the copy, if I want to change the font, delete the images, add different image, so whatever things I want, I can do right here. Just add this cup here somewhere as a logo, so it looks good. So you can do whatever the changes you want in this particular design. So let's move on and create something complex. So let's try to create a YouTube thumbnail. So I'm just pasting my prompt here and I wanted to create a thumbnail for make money with Canva. So I'll just send this prompt, so it will analyze again. Also I'm defining my size, and in this also I'm following the same formula, design type. So as you can see, it is generated the 4 amazing option of the thumbnail with make money with Canva. So you can place your image in this, and I like the first design which is unique, also using the money element. So I just click on the first one. It is not the perfect, but it is giving you a good start point which you can also use by Canva template. But if you want to do something with AI, then you can use these amazing stuff. Provide a detailed prompt for your design and it will give you a starting point. Later you can edit. So I just see here it is providing me the thumbnail link, so I can just open this design also inside the Canva. And if I want to edit any image or edit any text, make money with Canva, I can also add the Canva logo or whatever the changes you want later you can do inside this. Okay, so this is pretty awesome. It will give you a great starting point. You can add my photo here. So when I will add a little photo of mine, remove the background. Okay, so in this way you can also create amazing thumbnails inside the Canva using the Claude, and also later you can enhance it and create. So let's create something a little bit complex. So now I'll ask it to create amazing 6 slide presentation. So I'm copying the prompt. Here I have described each and everything. So I'm just pasting the same prompt here, and I have described all my slide, what exactly I need it in the slide. So I'm just describing, and it will analyze my design style, and based on it, it will generate some of the good options. On that, I will select and generate amazing slide on the go. If you are a student, this is very time saver for you. So now you can see here we have all the slides. If you want to take a closer look, you can see all the slides you have. Now just click on this generate design. Just send it, it will create the presentation design for you. You can see it is start generating the 4 options. So now you can see I have pretty much amazing options. So I like this second one. I'm just click on this, and you can preview all the slides which is created by the AI. So if you are a student, I'm requesting you to create your slide with this. It is very well crafted, and now you can close it and send it the second I like. So it just, and you can see I have my Canva editing design, and now you can later further edit, also change the color, change the theme, any of the thing, any of the images you can change, and just you can share with your friends and present it with the great ideas. So in this way, you can also create amazing design inside the Claude by using Canva connector. And I pretty much impressed with the presentation design and the Instagram post design, but YouTube is not creating a good thumbnail. So YouTube thumbnail is not pretty good, but it will give you a good starting point. So there you can just start and provide the refining prompt, and later it will create amazing stuff. So till then, take care of yourself. This is my honest opinion on this, right? And all the links and the prompts are provided in the description, so don't forget to check it. And if you want to do more amazing things with the Canva and the Claude, then check out this amazing video. I have created interactive designs by using the Claude, so why not, you can give it a try. Till then, take care of yourself. Tata and bye bye. See you into the next amazing video.